Alright, it's selling day, and today we're selling this little dude. I picked this up with it was like a 4-bike deal for like 80 bucks, and all I did was I had another seat laying around, spring seat, and I just put a new back tire and tube on it. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the front, but hey, it rolls. 2 good tires. But yo, this little thing is mad fun. Simply just cleaned it up. Got everything running again. This probably could use the slightest adjustment, but for the most part, the little 3-speed works fine. I got a tube. I put it on a tube, popped the tube immediately. There goes 10 bucks down the drain. So I had to get another one. Just put that back on. Everything is like super fine with this. It's mad fun. And you can see a little 3-speed right here. And if you notice, there's no brakes. It's because it's coaster brake. So, you know what the coaster brake is. It means you can coast. Pedal, 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 coast. Like so. And when you stop, you press back. And it acts like almost like a disc brake in your car. So that's it. You don't need a brake amp. The fun thing is though, this little thing is so light and fun. You can ski it all day. Oh, almost died. Definitely almost died. Mad fun though. Look at this. It's hard to ski with the phone in your hand for sure. But mad fun. So I'm gonna sell this one. This was only like 130 bucks. A lot of people think, oh, hey, 30 bucks a little. Bruh, the amount of fun something like this brings you, like even if you ride it once or twice, some things like are just too fun. And you just have it in your house, maybe get on another day, ride it for a little bit, or maybe go every single day and just enjoy it. But stuff like this is so much more worth than some bullshit alcohol that you put down your throat every week, every day, every month. Going out on a weekend is well over 130 bucks, and it just makes you it doesn't usually make you happy just for a couple moments, and then usually you're sad the next day. You get this, you get a little bike. It doesn't even have to be a bike. I know I love bikes. I love a lot of things though. But you get this, 130 bucks. The next day you wake up, no hangover, still there, and you can go ride. You know what I'm saying? I think I weigh this one. It's like 25 pounds, which is pretty light for an old school folding bike. But again, if you look at the mechanism, it doesn't even look like it was open. Got a little dust. Just needs to be like clean. Even somebody changed the chain. Has a quick release. Not quick release. What you call it? I can't think of the name right now. Escaping. But yeah. Anyways. Another one. Happy riding.